Hey, how's it going, folks? Well, the Honda cm450A hasn't been in the picture very much lately, so I figured I'd go ahead and make a video of this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the petcock in it. So I'm just going to show you how to replace the petcock. It's pretty simple. So right now all I'm doing is draining the gas out. I've got it flipped over to reserve, so it's going to drain as much gas out as possible. And then we'll just pull that petcock off. Yeah, it'd be easier if I took the tank off, and I may end up taking the tank off eventually, but I'm just going to try to do it with the tank on because I don't feel like messing with it. So, and it's real quick and easy. So just remove one nut, put one nut in. So, figured I'd go ahead and record it, and if somebody wants to buy it, they can say for sure that they know they got a new petcock on it. So there you go. I'll be back when this is done draining. Okay, we're going to get this petcock off. It's done draining fluid now, so let's go ahead and pull it off. Okay, what are we looking at there? About, what do you think? 19 millimeter? 20? 21? I don't know. Let's find out. Yep, there you go. 24 millimeter. Now we know. Okay, here's what the old petcock looked like. There are not normally, like with the new petcock, there are two screws right here, and I'll show you that in a minute. But there are two screws right here that you can take out, and then you can rebuild this petcock instead of buying a whole new one. But it wasn't too expensive, so I just went ahead and bought a brand new one anyway. But yeah, as you can see, this one it's old and clogged up, so I'm glad I replaced it anyway. It needed it. It was leaking, it was clogged up, so done. Anyway, that's what the old petcock looked like after I took it off. So moving on. Here is the new petcock, and here's the old one. They look, a little bit different, but they're basically the same. And if you notice, this one has screws in it, so you can rebuild it later. The straw's a little bit different, but that's okay. It's not that big of a deal. And yeah, so this is the one we're going to be putting on. All right. Be as simple as that. Go ahead and put some gas in it and make sure it's not leaking anywhere. Go ahead and zoom out a little bit. Zoom out. I like to add some of this to these older motorcycles. It's Stable 360 Marine ethanol treatment. Basically, it just evaporates. It gets rid of all the ethanol in the gas. Not all of it, but it does a pretty good job of it. And you only put a couple of ounces in. 3 ounces. What's it say? 1 ounce does 10 gallons. So not too bad. I don't have my glasses on, I can't see. Oh, 30 milliliters. So this is 15 milliliters right there. So if I do that twice, I'll do 10 gallons. Do it once, it's 5 gallons. I've only got about 2.5 gallons, so I'm gonna put about 10 to, right between 10 and 15 in there. And that'll do it. About that much. These old bikes don't like ethanol, folks. It'll do it. It just doesn't like it that much. New petcock is on. That wasn't too terrible. Let's zoom back out. And let's go ahead and give the bike a start and just make sure it's going to idle nice. Make sure it's going to idle good while got the new petcock. I will call that done. Okay, well this is probably the last we're going to see of the cm450, cm450A, automatic, Honda-matic. I've got somebody coming tomorrow that is thinking about buying it, and if that person doesn't buy it, I have to call another person back to let them know that they can buy it if they want, and it's a big mess. Anyway, I've got 2 people wanting to buy it right now, and they're going to get a great bike. I hate to see this one go, honestly I do. I ride it all the time, and I like this bike. I mean, it's just a great bike, and but I've got the Triumph now, which I got finally fixed, and I've got the Virago, and I've got the CB1000. I think I'm keeping the CB1000. I don't think I'm going to sell it. I like it too much. I think it's going to replace this one. The Triumph will just be my weekend play toy, and the CB and the Virago will be my daily riders now. I'll have 2 of them out, which are what I'm in the mood for. If I want to go fast, I get on the CB. If I want to chill out, I'll get on the Virago. But yeah, so this one's gone, and well, hopefully tomorrow one of the 2 people will buy it. And I'm going to hate to see it go. This bike's been in my life for a long time. It was my brother's bike before I owned it. I actually ended up trading him a Harley Sportster 883 for this. This sat in his garage, didn't run, needed a lot of work, and I spent a lot of time and a lot of money getting it going. But now it's good, and you can ride it literally every day if you want, and I did. I rode it all the time. This was my daily rider, so I kind of hate to see it go, but all good things must come to an end, right? So we'll pass this on to somebody else who can enjoy it, and I've got 3 more bikes sitting here that I can enjoy, so all is good in the world. Alright, this is DJ with Rabbit Squirrel Garage. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Like this video and subscribe to the channel. BB and I do.
What?
YouTube is awesome! Say it!
YouTube's awesome.
Huh?
YouTube's awesome.